Today is our first day in Moscow City. Moscow is well connected with one of the most efficient public transport systems in the world. The metro, buses, and trams connect every corner of the city. Public transport in Moscow began more than 150 years ago, with horse-drawn trams in 1872. For locals, it is a part of daily life. For tourists, it is the easiest way to explore. With clear signs and simple tickets, travel here feels smooth and welcoming. Moscow is not just the capital of Russia. It is also a city of art, creativity, and culture. On the streets, you can often find musicians, painters, and performers. They bring life and color to the city, turning ordinary squares and walkways into open-air stages. It is a place where tradition meets modern creativity, and every corner can surprise you with art. Now we have arrived near the Moscow River. This river has played a vital role in the growth of the city. For centuries, it was used for trade, transport, and fresh water. It helped Moscow to expand, connect with other regions, and become a strong city. Today, the river is also a place of beauty and relaxation. People walk along its banks, take boat rides, and enjoy the views of the city skyline. The Moscow River is not just water flowing through the city, it is part of Moscow's history and its everyday life. Along the Moscow River, many modern restaurants have become landmarks of the city's lifestyle. These places are designed not only for dining, but also for leisure and social gatherings. Inside, the interiors are creative and stylish, some with minimalist designs, others with vibrant art and lighting. Many offer fusion menus, where traditional Russian ingredients are reimagined with global recipes. Some restaurants also host live performances, DJ nights, and cultural events, making them more than just dining spots, but part of Moscow's urban lifestyle. For tourists, they offer a chance to taste the modern side of Moscow. Here we see the new skyscrapers. At night, the towers shine with bright lights that reflect on the river. This is where the old history of Moscow meets its modern future. Now our Moscow River dinner cruise is about to begin on a luxurious Radisson boat. These modern boats offer comfort, fine dining, and wide glass windows to enjoy the view. As the boat moves slowly along the river, guests can see the city's most famous landmarks, bridges, towers, and the shining skyscrapers. The experience combines good food, music, and the beauty of Moscow at night. On board the Radisson boat, the evening becomes even more lively with music. A talented DJ sets the mood with modern beats and a stylish performance. The music makes the cruise feel energetic and fun. The DJ adds a special touch, turning the boat into not just a dining place, but also a floating party on the river. Here is the headquarters of the Russian Ministry of Defense. This massive building is brightly lit at night, and it is one of the most striking landmarks of Moscow. It serves as the main command center of the Russian armed forces, and here important military decisions are made. Now we arrived near the Bolshoi Theater. It is one of the most famous theaters in the world. Here people enjoy opera and ballet shows. This is the Grand Kremlin Palace in Moscow. It was built in the 19th century for the Russian Tsars. Today it is used for state events and meetings. The palace is very large and beautiful, and at night the lights make it shine bright along the river. This is the Cathedral of Christ the Savior. It is the tallest Orthodox church in the world. The cathedral is a place of worship and a symbol of Russian faith. At night, the golden domes shine bright above the river. Finally, our first day Moscow city tour is going to end. Thanks for watching and wait for another video.